Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying prerequisites: Vscode, Git installed, and a GitHub account. Once those are ready, open Vscode and install the official Git and GitHub extensions to bridge the tools. Next, configure your global Git name and email so commits identify you. Finally, generate an SSH key or prepare a PAT. SSH is simpler for repeated use. A PAT works well for scopes and automation. Begin now by creating that key or token. Now you will link Vscode to GitHub by authenticating. If using SSH, add your public key to your GitHub account and ensure the SSH agent is running. If using a PAT, store it in your OS credential manager or Vscode's built-in credential helper. Once authenticated, clone a repo or add a remote URL within Vscode. Make a small change locally, commit with a clear message, and prepare to push to verify the link. This confirms both access and permissions. Finish by pushing your branch from Vscode and creating a pull request on GitHub. That completes the round trip. Make sure to set an upstream branch so future pushes are one command, and enable auto-fetch for timely updates. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Verify your authentication method. Confirm the SSH agent has your key loaded or that your PAT has repo scopes and hasn't expired. If the remote URL uses HTTPS, re-enter the token. If SSH, check permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.